Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning here, welcome back. We're doing another unboxing. I am Loving Life Freely here on YouTube. I am a full-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And a lot of what I do on here, sorry, I'm pushing a chair out of the way, is we do unboxings. And the reason why I like to do the unboxings, you all know that I do not really source at thrift stores a lot right now. So a lot of my inventory that comes to me is via online. Or I have people that source for me at the BINS, which has been such a wonderful treat. Speaking of which, I am going to do a plug here really quick for y'all. If you do have a BINS close to you and you source for yourself or would like to, I have some people who don't necessarily source so much for themselves, but they do like going to the BINS and they have no problem with the list that I give them of things that I do like to look for. They source for me. We've agreed on a price bracket and they ship the items to me. Those of you who do that, thank you so much. If you're interested in doing that for me, some people kind of do it on the side as well as their own reselling business, and some people have jobs and they do it kind of on the side and they send out to me because they enjoy shopping and they send me the items that are, you know, based on the brands and different categories that I mentioned in my sheet. So if you're interested in doing that for me, feel free to reach out to me here on this video. Reach out to me on Instagram, whichever way works best. I would love to plug in and connect with you. This is from one of the gals that does source for me. The first box I opened was great. She does boxes now, and she actually has a list of the items in the box that you're purchasing. So it is not a surprise what you're getting. I already know what I was getting. I already knew the sizes, the brands, and everything. And we're going to dive into the second box that she sent me. I am super excited. I've already listed everything from the first box. And I'm very excited about getting this box listed. I do have other inventory coming as well, y'all. I'm very excited to share with you that inventory coming down the pike. I'm just waiting for it to be delivered, which is going to be good because I have not been keeping a lot of boxes on hand. I do source as I go just because I don't want to tie up all my money in sourcing. So I source as I need to source. I don't just have like a whole stack of stuff sitting here waiting. I am working on learning how to source only when necessary. So I know how much I'm listing each day. I know what my COG is, what my average COG is. So when I am looking or connecting with people like this gal here, I know how many pieces come in her boxes. I know how many pieces come in other boxes through online sourcing. So when I know what I need to be able to list my 10 items a day, I have in my brain what I want my COG to be, what kind of items I look for, and that's how I decide when I'm going to make my purchases. Okay, so she always packages everything so nicely. Let's dive in and see what this box had. Okay, this first piece was a Lily Pulitzer. Beautiful piece, extra small, really cute fit flare skater dress, really nice piece. Very excited to get this listed and see how it does. I do not run into Lily Pulitzer out here, so if I get it, it's in a box. So I was so thrilled to see that on this particular box that she was selling. Okay, this is Ronnie Kobo. And like I've mentioned before, seeing this brand, one of the reasons why I do enjoy getting boxes like this, especially from people who have BINS in other locations, is I have noticed, and this is just kind of a tip, guys, not every state sells the same brands. Yes, there are some common brands that are in multiple states, but like you see a lot of the Lily Pulitzer in Florida. You can see a lot of Patagonia, I think, like in Washington and California. It's just kind of more of a common thing. Washington, you see a lot of Under Armour because the kind of state it is in. Nike, things like that. Out here, I see a lot of Nike, Under Armour. I don't see the really nice brands. But one of the things that I do like, too, is that you find certain brands that you've never heard of that are sourced in other states, which is great. I've never heard of this brand before. This is definitely a geometric print. Very cute. Definitely fall colors. It is a fit flare dress, and it is in great shape. This is super cute. Great for workwear or maybe an evening out, maybe a party or a dance. Has a cute little V-neck in the back with an accented zipper. So yeah, getting these boxes helps me to learn other brands that I wouldn't have access to, and it also helps me build source brands that are more known and popular in other states than where I live. So yeah, it's a great opportunity. Okay, Chico's. This is a size 2.5. These are really cute crop pants. Like I told you, I'm already wanting to source for spring and summer. I know that we are heading into winter, but I'm already thinking about that. These are in excellent condition, and they're cargo, and they have this great cuff on the bottom. Really cute pair of pants for after the first of the year. On top of that, you guys, I think I've mentioned this in other videos, there are some states that don't get cold weather. Like I know the southern states, Florida, other states like that, in those areas, in those territories, they don't get really cold weather in the winter. I think I've mentioned in the past, one of the gals that I follow on YouTube, she lives in Florida with her family. She mentions that they pretty much wear shorts all year round because their low temperatures are like 70s, 60s and 70s. So a lot of people are still looking for pieces like that and shorts all year round on top of whatever trips they may be making for warm weather in the winter season if they have cold temps. So that's one of the reasons why too I'll sell stuff like that all year round. Okay, this is J. Crew Mercantile, which J. Crew does do well for me. This is a really pretty floral, look at that ruffled tiered hemline dress. How super cute. And this is a really great transition piece. You can wear this with a blazer or a cardigan during the winter. It has a really cute V-neck with a clasp on top there. And this is just a great transition piece into spring and summertime. Wonderful, wonderful transition piece. Okay, next, Chaser. All right, this is a really cute tie-dye. Now, Chaser doesn't typically do well for me, but I'm going to give this a try. See how it does, super cute. I know that tie-dye is kind of popular. I don't know. Tell me in the comments below if you think tie-dye is a fad. I think it depends on the age group, because I have seen younger people wear tie-dye, and then sometimes people in their 20s, but I don't typically see 30, 40, or 50-year-olds wear tie-dye, unless they just really like tie-dye. But you definitely see some of the younger generation wearing it sometimes, and it's in really good condition, and it's a sweatshirt. Sweatshirts are great no matter what the season. Okay, this piece is really, really pretty. This is an eyelet piece by Waif, which is Nordstrom. It's got a gorgeous lace detail. This is a blue, you can see it's eyelet. The entire thing is eyelet with lace trim detail. It's got that ruffle hemline. And look at those gorgeous cap sleeves, y'all. How pretty is this? This would be really beautiful for workwear or an evening out. Again, you could put a cardigan over this if you wanted to, or a blazer, or just literally wear it by itself. Another really wonderful transition piece. Okay, this has another, what could be kind of like a geometric print. No, this is floral. Leota. This is another brand that was new to me. This is a fit flare sleeveless dress. Very stretchy. Has a belt on it. Very pretty colorway, especially with spring around the corner. Or again, great workwear, party wear. You could wear a blazer over this. A cardigan. This would look really nice with a perfect blazer, especially since it's kind of a fit flare dress. Having one of those blazers that tapers in, just accenting your figure very nicely, is a great addition to that great dress. Very boho piece. Okay. All right. Another brand that was new to me, Sigrid Olsen, size medium. Another, this is kind of a leaf floral dress. Another fit flare. Has the V neckline, size medium, another great workwear piece. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, Parker. This one's new with tags. Very geometric blouse. Now, I'm going to double check. I don't remember if this was silk, because some of the things that she sends me are silk. Dry clean, which means it's probably silk, 100% silk. So 100% silk, geometric, new with tags, very, very cute. High, low hemline are some great keywords that I'll use on that. Possibly boho. Okay, we have a really cute striped, oh, Bowden. I got Bowden in the last box too. Y'all know I love Bowden. This is a size medium, cute, short sleeved, really pretty. Look at the colorway on this. It's a navy blue with pink and white, just a really pretty piece. And there's your Bowden name. Yeah, I love selling Bowden. Okay. This is a great windbreaker jacket. Solomon. I had a Solomon piece in my last box too. New brand for me. This is just a great windbreaker jacket. I love the colorway on this, y'all. Who doesn't love a beautiful blue colorway? Very lightweight, packable would be a great keyword again. Windbreaker, outdoor, hiking. A lot of people wear windbreakers when they're hiking just for a little bit of extra added layer if they don't want to wear sweatshirts. So lots of great keywords for that. Okay, this is Zara. And this is a really cute mini dress. It's either like a long tunic shirt or a really great mini dress. Plaid, really cute. It has some stretch to it. It has this really cool detail on the back and on the front. Yeah, really cute. Great over leggings or a really cute pair of jeans. Very versatile piece. You can wear it by itself or layer a tank under that. Okay, this one is a new one to me as well. I hope I say this right. Ishakti. Really, really pretty floral embroidered fit flare dress. How gorgeous is this? Again, you could wear this by itself or with a fit flare blazer. And this is just stunning. Look at this. The skirt has the netting, which has all of this gorgeous embroidered detail all over it. How gorgeous is this? Again, workwear or maybe an evening out. You can wear this to work by itself or again with a blazer or a cardigan, but just a gorgeous, gorgeous dress. Oh my goodness. Okay, Nike Golf. This is a women's skirt. Very cute, pink, very geometric. It's got the slits here. And this one is, I'm not telling you the size on these guys, sorry. Size 2. Yeah, dry fit in excellent condition. Has pockets on the back here. Very, very cute piece. Okay, and then last but not least in this one is Zaya extra large. Just a nice, great athletic top. Very cute. It's a gray camel print with the see-through stripes. Very cute. So those are the pieces in this particular box. I have one more waiting for me to open, and these will help me to finish off this week, and then by the end of the week, I'm going to be getting some more of the other inventory I told you that I ordered. Very excited to get those pieces in. I'm trying something out, and I'm very excited to see how it does. Yeah, I'm just excited about where things are going, guys. My sales have picked up, and I don't think it's necessarily due to anything that I'm doing. I think it's because of the group I'm following and the changes that I'm making. Yeah, I'm excited to see where things go. If I stay on track with how I'm doing so far this month, I will surpass last month and get back to what I was doing before that slow season hit, before summertime. So it's been months of just kind of dragging and sledging through. And I think the changes that I've been making are hopefully going to start turning that around. So I kind of have an idea where I'm going after the first of the year. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. And those of you who have been subscribing, thank you so much. I really appreciate the new subscribers. And those of you who've been following along, I always appreciate you all of your great feedback and comments. Keep them coming, guys. I so appreciate it. Love the interaction with great resellers. And guys, as always, be productive, and we'll see you next time.